Welcome to the point. Lead MCQ 10 questions. Video number 1. First question. The power factor of a purely resistive circuit is 0, unity, lagging, leading. The right answer is unity. The emitter of a transistor is doped heavily, lightly, moderately, none of the above. The right answer is heavily. The Young's modulus is defined as a ratio of volumetric stress and volumetric strain, lateral stress and lateral strain, longitudinal stress and longitudinal strain, shear stress to shear strain. The answer is longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain. A dead load is one that does not exist, one that is dead, one that can be neglected, one that remains constant. The right answer is one that remains constant. In three-phase system, the EMF are 30 degree apart, 60 degree apart, 90 degree apart, or 120 degree apart. The answer is 120 degree apart. If 10 resistance of 10 ohms each are connected in parallel, then the total resistance will be 100 ohms, less than 100 ohms, 1 ohms, none of the above. Here, see the solution. If the resistance are connected in parallel, so the total resistance here, this is the formula used for calculation. 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 dot dot plus 1 upon R10. So 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 up to 10. So 1 upon R is equal to 10 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 1. Then R equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 ohms. So here the right answer will be 1 ohms. Question number 7. The electrolyte capacitance can be used for AC only, DC only, AC and DC only, 50 Hz. The right answer is DC only. The insulation of a current carrying conductor is provided to prevent leakage of current and to prevent shock. The right answer is both above factors, A and B. The voltage dependent resistors are used for inductive circuit, to suppress surges, as a heating element, as a current stabilizer. The right answer is to suppress surges. The value of Poisson's ratio 1 by m is never greater than 0.5, 1.5, 0.05, 5.0. Here see the value of Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio always remains between -1 to 0.5. So here the Poisson's ratio can never be greater than 0.5. Thanks for watching.